Hi everyone, this is second day in Isles of Man. It's not a good day since yesterday night. It's raining, heavy raining, and also weather forecast until 1 o'clock it will be rain. So today just I have left and start to walk. Unfortunately umbrella didn't work. It has broken, and I don't have a raincoat. So sorry for me, but I don't have any option. I'm just started to walk, and today is better to view inside indoor things rather than outdoor places. So I have decided to go Peel Museum in Castletown, and also there is the original idea Viking got to build the 10 World Parliament in 900. So there's the Derby Square. In the meantime, you're walking around the Douglas Town. I have to catch the bus, and public transport I think on this island is the best option. You have to get 3-day pass, 7-day pass. During summer season you have a pass for all type of transportation: electric train, tram, horse-ridden tram. That's the unique one in this island. But I came on good weather, so just only facilities available, that's the bus. I go pass for £20 for 3 days. Just I have to walk from my hotel to the larger street to get the bus for Peel. So in the middle, that's the area called St. John. There is the first parliament ruin there, and also there is a cold wedding cake where the people were used to sit according to hierarchy, and the Viking got idea to build a parliament on that's location. So further, so tomorrow I will go Manx Museum. This island is famous for it's a motorcycle race. So there is a Murray Motor Museum that's only open on Sunday. So follow us. You will get more and more information and videos related to Isles of Man in 3 days time. Tomorrow I'm going to come here, Manx Museum. You got the history about the Manx culture. It's situated on Albert Street, corner of Albert Street. Windsor Road. My advice to all viewers, whenever wanted to visit Isles of Man, check the weather. If you wanted to go different places, view, travel, or just you wanted to come peace of mind, stay in the hotel, then anytime you can choose. People are very humble, lovely and helpful. Whole town, as last video yesterday night for Douglas Town Center, whole north is full of joy of Christmas, full mood of Christmas. This is welcome, one of the church, Methodist church. Majority of houses in Douglas is stone houses and very large. Even Paris houses are very big and large. It has only approximately 4,000 population, and the area of 1/5 of London. This is such a windy weather. It's hard to hold a mobile. The left hand side building, a white building shows in the video, is called Tin World. It is the Parliament of Isles of Man. It's also awarded as the world oldest continuous parliament. First assembly world held in 979. The Manx people celebrated 1979 as a millennium year of this parliament. So, Isles of Man has a great history. It's a culture, depth. Once you search, it's a very small island, but it's a very depth in terms of history and culture. Let's try to find the main bus stand to catch the bus for Peel. Somebody told it's a great tourist place. It has a lot of sightseeing, history, museums, and other. Just remember, whenever you fly from any part of the globe, even in UK, you have to make sure your roaming work, because unfortunate happened with me. That's my roaming is not working here. 3 network doesn't work at all. So I'm just asking people here and there how can get to reach a bus stand to get bus the Peel. People are very cooperative. They are suggesting, but sometimes even they don't have idea or exact way, because people are depending on navigation. So this is the way it works. So it's a beta pre-plan the journey. These days particularly arrange the Wi-Fi network, so that makes life easy. And today is a rainy day. It's hard to walk. Somebody suggested me this way, straight way, goes to main bus stand where I can get bus for Peel, the other tone. And our next, due to rain, everything stand still, all the boats and every on quayside. This is the quayside of River Douglas. The River Douglas formed outskirt of Douglas. Once River Glass and River Dhu meet. So this is quayside, nice and beautiful view. And at the end, River Douglas end up in the Irish Sea. Fishing sector has one of the major contribution in Isles of Man GDP. In this river during late summer, trout and salmon can find. These are the unique milestone. Roman Castleton is 9 miles, Wheels 10.5 miles, Ramsey is 14 miles. Millennium Bridge. So, Millennium Bridge मैंने October 20. This bridge is called Millennium. This bridge is called a Millennium Bridge. And here, Isles of Man Harbour. This is called Isles of Man. After walking all around the Douglas in search of bus stop to get bus for Peel, this is bus stop and our bus came. So it will cost, if you don't have a pass like me, I bought the pass for all day stay here, 3 days stay. But if you don't have a pass, it's a The fare from Douglas to Peel is £3 to £4. Mm, we enter inside the bus. It's a nice, cozy seats. And also there is not much crowd. Only you will find the crowd during office hour. Apart from that, wherever I travel, I didn't find any crowd in the bus. So let's go to the Peel. On the way, I will show you the scenery. If you are talking also of man, if you won't talk about the rare breed of ships found in Isles of Man, that's called Lothan ship. It has a distinctive feature from a common ship. It's got horn, 2, 4, or some cases it's a 6 horn. Lothan ship always be in brown wool or brown color. Now we are entering and Peel. 35-minute journey. We are stepping out. And it's nice and a smooth journey. Thank you. So now it's a village called Peel. After stepping out the bus, first thing bring attention is the Isle of Man flag. Second day of my tour Isles of Man in the city of Peel, I'm going to cover the Manannan Museum. Manannan is the Celtic god of sea. This is the biggest museum in the Peel, and also I will take you coastal area, the 1000-year-old castle and the city views. I hope you will like the video journey from Douglas to Peel. Next video will be related to Peel Museum, and it is the one of the largest museum in Isles of Man. Please keep watching my videos related to Isles of Man. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.